Hold your laughter, gasps, and confusion. This video is about to deliver it all. A woman stands at her front door, waiting for someone, when suddenly, a hooded man appears out of nowhere. He grabs her leg, drags her to the door, and makes off with her shoe. A bold individual ventured onto someone's porch and seized a few packages. However, as he was making his exit, the homeowner confronted him, revealing that he was captured on camera.
Put it back. I got you on camera. I got you on camera. Put it down and leave. Thank you. Put it back where you found it.
In response to the warning, the man left the packages and hastily left the scene. In the early hours of Friday morning, an individual on a motorized scooter targeted someone's house. Swiftly, they approached, ran to the window, and hurled 2 large rocks through it. The perpetrator then hastily fled on their scooter. Fortunately, no injuries were reported. In Albuquerque, New Mexico, a woman entered someone's porch and was caught on the doorbell camera. Brazenly, she opened a package at the doorstep, selected items to her liking, and casually walked away, oblivious to the surveillance. One night, a porch pirate trespassed onto someone's property. Scaling the railing, the thief unplugged a Halloween cat and absconded with the stolen item. At night, a man rang the doorbell of a residence. The homeowner responded via the intercom, and the man explained that he was being bothered by someone outside. Seeking help, he requested the homeowner to call the police.
Cornelius, ma'am, there's somebody trying to get at me out here. I need you. I said, if you don't mind, there's somebody trying to get at me out here unfaithfully, violently. I need you to call the police if you can. I needed you to call the cops if you could. The police, there's somebody, they were looking for me already. Somebody's out there trying to violently bother me. If you don't mind, I sure would thank you.
In Brooklyn, New York, a young girl casually wandered onto a porch during the daytime. Instead of a friendly visit, she mischievously kicked aside a package, swiftly grabbed it, and made a hasty escape. The stolen package contained the owner's son's beloved Lego set. Watch this unsettling video captured on camera, where a drunk driver crashes into parked cars on the road late at night, creating chaos and danger for everyone involved.
No, that's what you was banging into two different cars. Get this car, he's actually that car. But I ain't making him back up, so I backed up. He banged into both of them. I watched it. That's why I backed up and said, I'm going to go the other way.
Check out this worrisome video where a woman struggles to open her door late at night, expressing fear that someone, possibly a car, might be following her.
Open the damn door.
Fortunately, she manages to enter her home safely. Watch this crazy video from Los Angeles, California, where a guy attempts to climb a door and break into someone's property in broad daylight.
Hey, what are you doing? I'm just up. You gotta go, man. Go.
Okay, my bad.
No, you gotta get out right now.
I'm going right now, bro.
What are you doing?
I was just climbing the fence.
Why are you...
Luckily, the homeowner catches him red-handed. Take a look at this video from a camera in Tampa, Florida, where a guy enters someone's property. He attempts to force open a door to what seems like a storage room, all while blasting loud music. Failing in his attempt, and perhaps fearing detection, he decides to leave. Later, he returns to check the trash, but fortunately, nothing bad occurs and nothing is stolen. Check out this unsettling video. 3 guys smash the car window, attempting to snatch valuable items. However, their plans quickly crumble as the blaring car alarm interrupts their scheme, forcing them to flee empty-handed. Buckle up for this bizarre ride. It's 3 a.m., and out of nowhere, this guy shows up, steals the Ring doorbell, hops into his car, and speeds away. The weirdness level is off the charts. Buckle up for a bizarre ride. In this video, a guy attempts to break into someone's house. As soon as he opens the door, the homeowner gets a notification on his phone. When confronted, the intruder claims he just wants to use some Vaseline. The owner threatens to call the police, and the guy beats a hasty retreat.
What are you doing?
I'm using Vaseline.
Excuse me? What do you want?
You.
I just called the police, so you better walk away from my door. He won't. I just told him I called the police, and he told me he would walk away from the door. Sorry. I didn't call him. I just told him I did. He walked away.
Check out this video from Phoenix, Arizona. A guy is trying to break into someone's car using a tool. After some struggle, he manages to open the door, grabs something from the car, throws it into his getaway vehicle, and speeds away. Surprisingly, this guy is still on the loose. In this scary video, a family is enjoying a calm evening, calling for their dog to come home. Suddenly, their peaceful moment turns into a nightmare as they notice a man with a gun. Shockingly, he starts firing shots into the air, causing panic and confusion. His intentions remain a mystery, but thankfully, no one was harmed.